I move.
Because you're doing chores.
I know I'm doing.
Go ahead, continue your chores. Oh, nice.
Didn't get to do it properly.
Everybody look at the silly monkey.
No. Look at the silly monkey. Look at the silly cat.
Look what he did. He left all the cupboards open behind him. He's going to run into one of them. Don't do it. You will hurt yourself. Please stop and close them correctly. Thank you. Now what you going to do?
First I couldn't open it. You just said you close it. I was like, yes. Close it and now I reopen it. Oh, look to the cats.
Creeper boy in action. Go! I'm sorry, you guys. I don't know what his deal is. I think he had some coffee or something.
Nah. That coffee, then you wouldn't even see me.
You'd run like the Flash. Look at Teddy's over here walking in my basket. Hey, you're supposed to be on the table, dude. Hey, say hi to the camera. Close up, Teddy. Teddy, are you supposed to be on the table? No.
Hey, now I'm off.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, there he goes. Oh, where'd he go? He's gone. There's Casey over there.
Hey, so there a cat.
I saw your shadow, your reflection in the window.
I was battling demons. Oh, here we go again. Oh, defeat the demons again. I'm all right now. I defeated the demons.
Teddy.
Now there's a cat. Wonderful.
Teddy.
It's just a giant cat.
Ow. He does look giant. When I go up close like that, he looks huge.
Oh, yes.
Here in the background, you look small.
I know it.
Alright, say goodbye.
Goodbye.